Hello everyone. So today we are going to see the demo for the project Feature Fusion by using LBP, HOG, GIST descriptor and Canonical Correlation Analysis for the face recognition. So in this project, what we are going to do means here face recognition, we have so many algorithms to extract the features based on the CNN. But here what happened? Based on the different features, we are going to analyze it. LBP, HOG, GIST. Okay, these are all descriptor we are going to extract from the face. Then, based on the Canonical Correlation Analysis, we are going to recognize the face. Okay, so here, for that, what we are going to do is, here first we are going to take a data set. Here, these are all AR data set. Okay, here just a sample I took. So whole data set will provide in the feature. Okay, so these are all face database, frontal face, different angle also. Okay, so here the analysis will be based on the different features. Okay, so as it is this excuse me. So here separately LBP, HOG, GIST and combination of HOG, GIST, LBP, HOG, LBP, GIST. So the combination of features we are going to fusion, we are going to do. Then we are going to train it. What is the accuracy we are getting for the recognition rate? Okay. So this I'm going to give the demo. So first I'll go to the Python. So here Python 3.7 I'm going to use it. Here just go to open. I have a code folder here. So here, so main code is nothing but training code. So once the training code is open, so here you can just run this code. So automatically it will be collect the data set and extract the features. After extracting the features, it will be training and the splitting will happen. Sorry, first training splitting will happen, then training will start. So this is happening by different feature combination also. Only HOG, GIST, LBP separately as well as combination. Complete training will happen. Final result will get it here. So it takes some time. So based on the number of epoch, it will be varies. I have given 200 as a epoch. Total 6 combinations are available. So 6 different training is happening. So once the training is completed, you'll get the accuracy graph. So based on just HOG, LBP, combination of these three. Okay. So the model accuracy as per this data set which I shown this, it may vary the result for full data set. So once close this, you'll get the model loss graph. So this is the ROC curve. So ROC curve, it will be true positive rate versus false positive rate, region of characteristics. So here, Canonical correlation analysis based. Here, the each data set confusion matrix, it is shown here as well as accuracy of that. It may vary for full data set. Okay, so this is training is done. Once training is done, the trained model will be stored to here. Trained model, it is stored automatically. So now we'll go for the testing. So main testing code we have. So just you can open it. So here in testing code, you can go to run module. So here data set. You can select any of the images. Select this. So this is the original image. This filtered image. So the given images recognized as this ID, and also it is matched with the database 99%. Next we'll check another image. So I'll check another image. So given phase is ID is 1 and it's recognized 99%. So now I'll check which is not trained the images, which is not trained face. So I'll just check it out this image which is not trained. So here the face is not recognized. The matched percentage is 0.40%. Thank you.